The Brita Elite Water Filter. Replacements for pitchers and dispensers are a must-have for anyone looking to improve the quality of their drinking water. Made from high-quality plastic, these filter replacements are designed to fit perfectly into your Brita pitcher or dispenser. With dimensions of 4.66D into 2.34W into 5.34H and weighing a mere 3.84 ounces, these filters are compact and lightweight, making them easy to handle and replace. Despite their size, they offer exceptional performance in filtering out impurities. One of the key advantages of the Brita Elite water filter replacements is their external testing certification by WQA, Water Quality Association. This certification ensures that the filters meet the highest standards of quality and performance, giving you peace of mind knowing that you are using a reliable product. In terms of benefits, these filter replacements excel in reducing cadmium, a harmful heavy metal commonly found in water sources, by effectively reducing